In this video, you are going to see how to insert a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. To insert a picture, go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us select a picture from my desktop. Let me select this picture, click on Insert. Then the picture will be inserted. If I want to adjust it with the slide, click on over here, go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio, make it 16:9 and click on Outside. Now I can adjust it with the slide. There is another option. Let us delete it. Go to Insert, go to Picture, click on Online Picture. Let us write here Nature, hit Enter. Let me choose this picture, click on Insert. Go to Crop, Aspect Ratio and make it 16:9. Click on over here. I can give the border color from here. Go to Picture Border, go to Wide, increase the wide. I can give any shadow and place it like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.